Hello, I'm Allie, and today we are going to be doing a turn on the forehand using two different methods, using a regular bridle and also a bitless bridle. Now, first up, this is a method primarily using neck reining or indirect reining. Forehand mainly off of a neck rein. Now, our first exercise that we did with that was going to be placing the rein right across from where the neck meets the shoulder. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep our toes up here in the safe zone, and we're basically going to bump that until we get that reaction. So we got the cross, cross, cross. There we go, cross. Now I'm going to let go of the bottom. Only add the bottom rein if I need it. So mainly I want him to start realizing that neck rein is what I need. So start out, a little bit aside. Up here, cross, come on, cross, there we go, and release. So that's one side. Remember, this is just a neck rein move, the forehand. So what we do on one side, we have to do on the other. Off of his right side. Every horse has a dominant side. Usually it's the left, especially on a reining horse or a roping horse. So now we're going to go to the right side. I'm going to find that edge, and I'm just going to ask him to cross. So add pressure. There's your cross. Cross, release. Cross, release. Cross, release. Cross, release. And whoa. And he should kind of move back down. See, we have licking and chewing. He's really got this down well now. Now Ayla's going to be next up, and she's going to be using a bitless bridle and button number 1. All right, today Ayla and her horse Trooper are working on moving the forehand on the ground. Now, she has been working on this, and she has been able to get all the way around now. Now we're concentrating with her using button number 1 right there, and she's getting the cross. So there's 1 cross, 2 cross, 3 cross, 4 cross, 5 cross, 6 cross, oh, one more, and 7 cross. Good boy. Comparatively speaking, we were only getting like 1 or 2, and now we're getting quite a bit of a better cross. Now let's try the other side. Again, we're focusing on using button number 1. She's using indirect rein pressure, so she's going to concentrate on keeping her hand. Now push and release. Make sure you release from his neck, and try to keep your hand a little bit farther back. You're going to try to aim for this spot right here. Now release as soon as he takes a step with both your hand. There you go. There you go. Good. And release. Good. Much better. We can see a lot of improvement with Trooper in just a short amount of time. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out our playlists.